What's up guys, Ishmael here from Mart, and I'm here to talk about buying a car without a down payment. Can you buy a car without a deposit? The simple answer is yes, you can. From a rand and cents point of view, buying a car without a deposit means that you are essentially going to have to apply for finance to cover the entire amount of the vehicle. Additionally, you won't benefit from reducing monthly payments because you're not putting down any money up front. Having even the smallest of deposits can go a long way in reducing the final amount that the car will end up costing you. So, let's talk about how to buy a car without a deposit. Okay, so you've decided to buy a car, but you don't have any cash saved or spare money to put down as a deposit. Thankfully, there are a number of institutions and banks that will happily assist buyers with a wide range of finance options to help purchase that new vehicle. Most dealerships in South Africa will have a finance and insurance representative who is legally qualified to offer car buyers financial advice. It's their role to assist buyers with applying for vehicle finance with the institutions and banks we spoke of earlier. Since you aren't putting down a deposit, how will this affect your chances of having your finance approved? Now, to be able to apply for car finance in South Africa, all applicants must be able to answer yes to all of these questions. Am I older than 18 years of age? Am I prominently employed and earning a salary? Do I have a valid driver's license? Am I a citizen or a permanent resident in South Africa? Do I have a good credit record? If you can answer yes to all of those questions, the next step is making sure you have all the right documents needed to apply for finance. Here's a list of the different documents required. A copy of your South African ID or passport with a valid permanent residency permit, a copy of a valid driver's license, front and back, proof of income not older than 3 months, and proof of residence. Now, what will influence the finance costs on your car? One of the biggest factors that will determine the cost of your vehicle loan will be the credit score and your standing with the banks. Credit scores are calculated by looking at your credit history. People with good credit scores will usually be approved for finance quite quickly and will get preferential rates. If you have a bad history of lending, then you could be declined for vehicle finance, or you may receive higher lending rates. The following can affect your credit score. Do you have a good payment history on all previous credit loans? How much debt are you currently in and how much do you owe on current accounts? What is your credit history age? So how long have you been lending credit for? What is the mix of your credit profiles? And your credit inquiries. Not everyone can afford to pay cash for a car, and that's why financial institutions exist. They are there to lend us the money so that we acquire the things that we need to live our lives. We must note that entering into a car finance agreement is a long-term commitment and must only be done if a buyer is certain that they can afford the repayments on their loan for the entire duration of the loan. At the end of the day, buying a car is a personal decision. And at Mart, all we encourage is that buyers understand all the factors that are associated with being a vehicle owner. Make sure you're always aware of all your legal obligations when entering into any finance agreement for a vehicle. Shop for a new ride today on Mart, South Africa's biggest online automotive marketplace.